Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of mechanical engineering careers. You've spent years studying, and now it's time to land that awesome job. But with so many industries out there, where do you even begin? Don't worry any longer. This video will unveil the top 10 mechanical engineering industries bursting with opportunities. We'll explore the kind of work you'll be doing, along with the skills you need to shine. So, grab your notebooks and get ready to launch your mechanical engineering dream career. Top 10 mechanical engineering industries. Automotive. From sleek sports cars to heavy-duty trucks, the automotive industry is a classic choice for gearheads. You could be designing engines, optimizing vehicle performance, or working on cutting-edge electric car technology. Aerospace. Have your sights set on the stars? The aerospace industry needs mechanical engineers to design and build airplanes, spacecraft, and satellites. Your skills will be crucial for pushing the boundaries of flight. Robotics. The future is here, and it involves robots. This booming industry needs engineers to create robots for everything from industrial automation to medical applications. If you love a good challenge, this is the place to be. Manufacturing. This is the backbone of our world, and mechanical engineers are essential for designing, building, and maintaining the machines that make everything from smartphones to furniture. Expect a fast-paced and dynamic work environment. Biomedical engineering. The world of medicine is constantly evolving, and mechanical engineers play a vital role. You could be designing prosthetics, medical devices, or even robots for surgery. Here, your work directly impacts people's lives. Power generation. Keeping the lights on requires a skilled workforce, and that's where mechanical engineers come in. This industry focuses on designing, building, and maintaining power plants, whether it's nuclear, solar, or wind energy. Construction. From towering skyscrapers to sturdy bridges, the construction industry relies on mechanical engineers. You'll be involved in designing and analyzing structures, ensuring their safety and functionality. Consumer products. The gadgets and appliances we use every day are the work of mechanical engineers. Here, you'll design, develop, and improve all sorts of consumer products, making them efficient and user-friendly. Oil and gas. This industry is crucial for our energy needs. Mechanical engineers play a key role in designing equipment for drilling, refining, and transporting oil and gas. Remember, this field is constantly evolving as we transition towards renewable energy sources. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, keeping our homes and buildings comfortable, is an essential service, and mechanical engineers are behind the scenes making it happen. You'll design, install, and maintain, ensuring proper air quality and temperature control. What industry are you most interested in? Leave a comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more career advice in the world of mechanical engineering.